Today we'll be making some cold smoked salmon right here at home. So what we'll need is 70 grams of salt, sugar, and some lemon zest for flavor. Then we'll mix it together in one bowl, stir well, and then we can use this to cover our salmon with. This will cure our salmon so that it will be ready for our smoker. So we get ourselves some saran wrap. We'll lay it down first, because remember, if you don't do this, it'll be very difficult to transfer it later with the salt falling off. So we space them out evenly, then we sprinkle our salt mixture over our fish. Then we spread it around. Then we can do it to the other side also. So remember, for cold smoked salmon, it's generally quite difficult to make at home unless you have a grill or you do it outdoors. So today we'll be doing this indoors. So we'll sprinkle the rest of the salt on the other side, and this will allow so this salt mixture will draw out all the moisture from the fish, and it'll cure it so that it's ready for our smoker. So we simply seal our saran wrap, then we fold it in, so we allow the salt to be in contact with the fish at all times. Then we can just transfer this to our plate or any sort of holder, because there will be a lot of liquid coming out of this. Then we can place it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. This will allow it to draw out the moisture. Then for our DIY smoker, we simply get an aluminum pan or any metal pan that is not coated. Then we have some aluminum foil. Will form into a nice divider. Now place this in the center of this small pan, and this will act as our smoker for our chip. So today we'll be using some hickory smoked chip. And just pour it around the whole plate and spread them out evenly. So later on we will light these chips and allow it to smoke in our chamber. So it'll flow around the aluminum foil. Okay, now let's check. It's been 24 hours. You see all the liquid. I've poured out 3 times already. So we'll unwrap our salmon and check on it. As you can see, the color has intensified. It has become a dark orange hue. So it's perfect because it has condensed. The water has been drawn out of it. We can rinse it under some running water. So we'll wash off the excess salt and sugar, and whatever that has been absorbed will stay with the fish and add more flavor. Now once that's done, we need to pat dry our salmon, because it absolutely needs to be dry so that we can create a dry surface for the smoke to land on and add more flavor to this fish. So once that is done, we have our chips and fish ready. We can begin smoking this. So today we'll be using a home oven, toaster oven, as a smoker. So I'll transfer the fish onto the grill, space them out evenly to allow all sides to come in contact with the smoke. I'll start by lighting the chips over our stove until it's all charred, and you can blow out the fire and place it in our oven and set it for 4 hours. Once that's ready, we can remove it and have a look at this. Okay, After 4 hours, we remove it from our smoker. Now check on this. It's looking beautiful. It has a nice gleam on it and it smells very hickory smoked. But this is not done yet. I like the smoke to penetrate the meat more, so I will wrap the individual fillets in some baking paper. Then we'll wrap the baking paper up individually and allow it to sit in the refrigerator for another few hours, so to allow the smoke to migrate into the depth of the fish, and this will add some more intensity to the entire smoked salmon. As you can see, this is not very important. We're simply covering this because we'll wrap this over with saran wrap again, and we don't want the plastic to come in contact with the fish directly because we don't want any other excess absorption of flavor. And then this saran wrap will also prevent the scent from the other items in the fridge to migrate into our fish. So this protects our fish nicely. Now it's good. We can place it back in our refrigerator for about 4 hours or more if you like. Then everything is ready for cutting. As you can see, got my sushi knife out. I'll unwrap it. Now this is looking beautiful. Now let's slice a piece to try and see how good this is. Look, beautiful. Now let's give this a try. It smells very good. Texture is nice and flaky. Still soft, but tasty. The salmon I am using is a sushi grade salmon, and you can serve it over some poached egg and toast. Awesome. Enjoy. This is part of our salmon series where I start filleting a whole salmon. Then we use the different parts of the salmon to make various types of dishes. So if you haven't seen it yet, remember to refer to the link above, or you can search for our playlist